Hey, hello, good morning, children. Children, today I'm going to introduce you new alphabet that is alphabet W. So let's see the words that start with alphabet letter W. See, children, this is alphabet W, capital W, Mama W. Look like this. And baby W look like this, and the sound of the W is W. So let's see the example of W. W for window. W for wall. W for watermelon. W for whistle. W for wig. W for wagon. W for watch. W for wolf. W for wheel. W for waterfall. So, do this practice at home and enjoy your day. Bye, children.